Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Grow a Garden notifier in your Discord. So go to this Discord first. It's like, I'll put the link in the description box down below. But you're just going to select your server and just continue. I've already added the server to it. And then you can create a chat channel. And here are the commands for it. There's a lot, but honestly, if you want, you can add in the role for notification type. Here, for instance, there's events eggs. Is there one for seed? Okay, yeah, seed. For instance, Ember Lily. And then role, I'm just going to select everyone here and then press enter. So that when it's restocked, it will like notify the person, I think. If that doesn't work, you can just type in gag stock all and it's going to show you like the current stock that they have on Grow a Garden. Right now it's blueberry, carrot, daffodil, strawberry, and tomato. So if we go here, those are the only one. Okay, I don't know why the daffodil isn't on it. I think it's bugging right now. It worked last night, but hopefully they fix that right now. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.